We will take you through the process of Snail remanufacturing trucks in 7 minutes. This is our remanufacturing plant, where all the remanufactured trucks we export are refurbished and remanufactured. Remanufacturing is a complex process. It is not only about adjusting the engine and changing the oil. The truck will be disassembled into various parts, thoroughly inspected, and finally reassembled. Our staff check the overall condition of the truck and recorded the damage. Once our used trucks are inspected and evaluated, the requirements are passed on to the remanufacturing factory, which will overhaul our trucks accordingly. The first step in remanufacturing a truck is disassembly. Disassemble the cab exterior, interior, headlights, fenders, filters, fuel tanks, water tanks, batteries, etc. The chassis air circuit and electrical circuits are also removed at the same time and marked. During the entire disassembly process, the parts are carefully inspected. Replace the severely damaged parts in time to ensure the reliable performance of the remanufactured truck. The entire interior will be replaced, such as the steering wheel, operation panel, seats, floor, etc. The original engine and gearbox were also replaced. First, remove the screws that secure the engine and gearbox. Then use a crane to lift out the engine and gearbox. The engine and gearbox are separated and towed to the engine remanufacturing plant and gearbox remanufacturing plant respectively for inspection and remanufacturing. Now, when it comes to cleaning, we use a high-pressure water gun to rinse to ensure that every corner of the frame is thoroughly cleaned. A clean to remove the sand and sludge accumulated over the years. After several hours of careful cleaning, this remanufactured truck not only looks brand new, but also lays a good foundation for subsequent repair and upgrade work. Next, wait for it to dry and sandblast to remove rust. The engine remanufacturing process includes whole machine cleaning, whole machine disassembly, parts cleaning, paint and oil removal, parts inspection and flaw detection, whole machine assembly, whole machine experiment, whole machine painting. For the gearbox part, we will refurbish and remanufacture the entire gearbox system, replace the new clutch plate, clutch pressure plate, release bearing, etc., and reassemble and test it. Through a series of processes including disassembly, inspection, repair, processing, assembly, testing and quality certification, the old engines and gearboxes are restored to a level close to that of new products in terms of various performance indicators. We use a sandblasting towel machine for rust removal. After shot blasting, the surface roughness of the workpiece is moderate, which is conducive to the adhesion of the paint and is not easy to fall off, thereby improving the quality and durability of the coating. When remanufacturing a truck, chassis inspection is a key step. Rigorous inspection can improve chassis performance and safety and ensure reuse. The rear axle is also inspected simultaneously. Check the normal operation of the gears inside the differential, whether the oil seal is leaking. Check the condition of the wheel hub bearings and clean, relubricate or replace the bearings if necessary. The front axle checks the condition of the brake pads and wheel hub bearings to ensure damaged parts of sheet metal, including dents, scratches, deformation, rust, etc. For the parts that need to be repaired, first scrape putty to fill, then polish and smooth, and directly replace the serious ones to improve the appearance, quality and structural strength of the truck. The body is pushed into the paint room to paint the cab and frame. Spray the desired color according to customer needs. Install remanufactured engines and gearboxes. The decoration of the interior and exterior of the cab can improve driving comfort, operating convenience and visual experience. Each screw is tight and in place to ensure safety and sealing. Installing rear view mirror, air conditioner, wipers, filters. Installing the battery. Clear and orderly circuit decoration can ensure stable and efficient supply of electricity, so that various electrical components such as lights, instruments, and electronic equipment can operate normally. Reasonable decoration of the truck air circuit can ensure stable and reliable transmission of air pressure, optimize the working performance of various pneumatic components such as brakes, clutches, and air horns, etc. The next step is to paint the cab and truck frame. Painting can effectively protect the body and make the truck look brand new. After the painting is completed and fully dry, the extremely critical road test begins. All tyres replaced. The road test will fully test the various performances of the truck actual driving to ensure that it can adapt to various road conditions and operate safely and efficiently. Every truck that passes our quality inspection has been through multiple processes of inspection and restoration to ensure its performance and quality are at their best.